Hi, this is Mrs. M with the Janitorial Spot. Thank you so much for joining us. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can receive the latest videos as well as live streams. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us again today. So the question for one of our members is, which one is more important, knowing the business of janitorial or the cleaning portion? I would suggest you read a book called The E-Myth. The E-Myth by Michael Gruber really is great when it comes to learning about how to set up systems and processes for business. And that is basically what you need when you're doing the janitorial. So the question of which one is more important, knowing how to do the janitorial portion or the business portion, they're both very important. If you know how to do the cleaning portion of the janitorial industry business, then you'll go in, you'll do really great cleaning, you'll have a spotless account, you'll have probably customers that are really happy with the cleaning. But the problem comes in with, for one, you have to know more than just the cleaning part in order to actually grow your business. And what I mean by that is you have to know how to market, you have to understand when it comes to the operational part, growing so that you can have other employees. That's for training for the management part. Knowing how to select employees is really important. Understanding customer relations when it comes to customer service, understanding safety. All of that is the business of the cleaning industry. So it's not just enough to know the cleaning portion. It is imperative that you know the business side of the cleaning business. We get so many people that understand the cleaning part. They go in, they've cleaned for other companies, or they've cleaned at home, or they've cleaned somewhere else, and they feel that all they need to do is actually get the equipment, the supplies, an account, and get started. I can't emphasize enough, there's so much more to the cleaning industry than just that. You will be really starting off wrong, and you want to start off right. So you want to understand the business of the cleaning as well as the cleaning. And how can you do that? You want to do continuous learning, looking at videos like this, other videos on cleaning. Reading books are one of the great ways to understand business in general. Understand and go out and get small business books on how to start any kind of company, but you might want to get one on how to start a small cleaning business. Some of the things you will find in the books that probably are, in the library, or you can go to, Barnes and Nobles and go to Amazon, is they'll give you information on how important it is for customer relations. Cleaning is a relationship business, which means you build a relationship, people like you, and they'll want you to come clean their accounts. It's a relationship business. You're inside of some of their most trusted areas, their secret, sacred areas, their business information, which you have access to when they're no longer there. So that's why it's a business of relationships, and you want to treat it as such. So understanding the cleaning portion, how to clean, what systems in place, what equipment, how often should I do XYZ, what should I put when I go do my walkthrough, my proposal. There's so many things to learn, and it's so exciting. So I would say start small. Start with a small account, understand the cleaning of it, and then learn the business part of it as well. One of the biggest mistakes so many new owners do is they only learn the cleaning portion and they leave the business portion to someone else. They don't know how to do the contracts. They don't understand how to do the bidding, the proposals, how to go after government contracts or school contracts, how important sales is. They don't build their skills in order to do the selling that's needed. They may get accounts, but when they walk through, they don't know how to close the sale. All of that is what you need in order to grow in the cleaning industry. So once again, you need to know both the cleaning portion and the business portion of the cleaning industry. And we're here to help you. Hopefully you will enjoy our videos. You'll visit more often. If you'd like to visit us and let us know what subjects you would like to know more about, we do ask our subscriber, our members. We have Inner Circle members. We have a membership for $97 a year, and that goes over so much training, how to get started, how to grow, what to do, proposals. So many things are covered, and it's a great investment for only $97. Also, you also have the new member packages. We have silver, gold, and platinum, where we start you out with equipment and we help you along your way. So if all you want to do is sit in and settle in and watch the videos, feel free to do that. We try to give you the most information we possibly can on how to start and grow your business. And we love to give you this information for free. Some of this, we're going to try our best to add more, so it's almost like a course that you would take at no cost. And if you find that we're giving this type of information at no cost, the goal is for you to say, wow, this is really informative and helpful. And our goal is just to give you this so that you can grow your business. But then you may start to think, if we're getting this at no cost, imagine what we're going to get if we pay for something. Like the Inner Circle membership is a great place to start. So make sure you visit us at www.thejanitorialspot.com or give us a call at 1-800-601-2730 extension 106. Thank you so much. Have a fantastic day, and we hope you visit with us again soon. Bye-bye.